Supposed to be? It's like a little robot. Is that a... Oh my god. Wow. That was like a flesh robot. That was creepy, man. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Dang. Oh my. Yo, he hit you with combos. Oh man. Oh god. Oh man. Oh, he hit you. Knocked the spaghetti out of him. Dang. Yo, these videos are terrifying, dude. What the heck? I found another boxing one, but it's longer. So these are just like little cute creatures getting thrown into this boxing ring. What is this, Hello Kitty? It is. You might be thinking, this thing is innocent. It's not gonna hurt anything.
With BDO Multipurpose Loan, you can upgrade facilities for bigger opportunities and growth. Apply.
You might be thinking, this thing is innocent. It's not gonna hurt anything. Watch it be like a killer cyborg. Oh my god! Oh, he threw up. Oh, he threw up. Oh my god, look at the face. Oh my god. Oh my god! Look at the face! He is enjoying knocking him out. Oh my goodness. Oh my, he's dead. He's dead. He is unrecognizable right now. Oh my goodness. They just loving it. And then it's right back to like the cute little face. Who was that? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. You need to run. You need to run. Mom. Nah. I'm not running up to you with blood all on your body. It's not happening. This little thing's about to die. Please don't kill the little one. I knew it. I knew it was too good to be true. Oh my goodness. Yo, back up. Back up. Please back up. Bro got blood all on his body. That's not your mama. You're dead. You're dead. Me? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, the uppercut of doom. Bro, look at the face. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Ooh. Ah. Oh, right to the gut. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's hard to watch. Oh, it's hard to watch. He's like, feed me more. A chair? And handcuffs? Yeah, what we about to get into? Oh my goodness. Ugh, throw up and blood, just yuck. Oh man. Yeah, whatever about to happen, I don't want to see. I'm be honest. This is scaring me now. Duct tape? Oh my god. Yo, what type of boxing is this? Oh man. Oh my god. I don't even know if we're gonna finish this one. Oh man. Oh man. Feels illegal. Oh my god. All right. How much more can he take? She take, it take, I don't know. Oh my god. You know, the things that I find on the internet will never cease to like amaze